Welcome to a new video by Jesna Sajan, made with ViduQ3.
Little seed in the light, grow your dreams soft and bright. In the flow, in the glow, watch a tiny world come alive.
Did you ever visit the Salad City? It is one of a kind.
Meet my neighbors and friends here. We can help you learn.
Toma, the kids are happy to get their sweet seeds.
I know, Cucumber. Let me ask Uncle Oni what's the price.
We know to live comfortably.
Uncle Oni, these are the new ones.
These seeds are collected and sold.
We live in cool climates, so our crops remain fresh.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new township. We are getting ready for an evening performance. Little seed in the light, grow your dreams soft and bright. Watch a tiny world come alive. Little seed in the light, friends. Blow your tiny world come alive. If one kind human planted the seeds, she created the yogurt city, our world. Meet this new villa that speaks our history.
This is so cold here.
Thanks for visiting us.